Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can show keystrokes overlay in Model TV. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have updated your Model application to make sure that you have the following features that we are going to be showing you or talking about. From there, you want to head over to the application, click on the gear icon, which is going to be our settings, and from here we have a new option or a new setting called video overlay. You can just click on it, and from here we have different options like the overlay for this one, this one, this one, and this one. So you want to turn the video overlays on, and from here you have the ability to customize this. You have the virtual camera capture if you want to. So in my case, I'll select the mouse and keyboard peripheral overlays, and from there this will simply change or add the overlay on this part of the screen, which is going to be, in my case, top left corner. If you want to show it to right, or bottom left, you can simply do so. As of the moment, we only have keyboard and mouse, but for further updates there will be more guaranteed on the options right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.